Hi! In front of me is Realme C31, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize the theme of your keyboard on this smartphone. First of all, go into Settings, scroll all the way down and click on System. Now select Languages and Input on Screen Keyboard and Gboard. Following that, click on Theme and choose Show More. This way you will see all available ones. When you're ready, pick the best one for you, click on it, manage keyboarders by clicking on the switcher and select Apply. As you can see now, theme of my keyboard has changed. But you can always customize it by going into the same settings by tapping this plus icon under My Themes instead. Then you need to tap on the photo that you wish to apply, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're ready, adjust brightness by swiping left or right. Tap on Done, manage keyboarders by tapping on the switcher and finally select Apply. When I go back, as you can see, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!